Stellaris crash error exit code 322125477 on PC. Start 1. Restart your PC, close Stellaris completely, restart your computer normally, launch the game again afterward. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam Launcher, right-click Stellaris, Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3. Disable all mods, open Stellaris Launcher, disable all installed mods temporarily. Launch the game without mods enabled. 4. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++, install latest Visual C++ redistributables, install both x64 and x86 versions, restart your PC after installation. 5. Install latest .NET Framework, download and install latest .NET Framework, restart your PC after updating, try launching Stellaris again. 6. Update graphics drivers, install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers, perform clean driver installation if possible, restart your PC afterward. 7. Run Stellaris as administrator. Right-click Stellaris executable or shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam as administrator. 8. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS-like, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 9. Delete corrupted cache files. Press Windows R, % user profile sent, Documents, Paradox Interactive, Stellaris. Delete cache and temporary files carefully. 10. Reinstall Stellaris if issue continues. Uninstall Stellaris completely. Remove leftover Stellaris folders manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.